Hello, good morning, class 8th. So, we'll be resuming with our geography chapter number 2, our natural resources, which is sand, soil, water, land. We've already studied about land and soil, and now we are resuming with water, our next renewable natural resource. So, water is vital natural resource, and 3/4 जो earth surface है, it is covered with वाटर. सो देयर फोर इट इज़ कॉल्ड कि अप्रोप्रिएटली हम इसको वाटर प्लानट भी बोल सकते हैं. एंड इवन टुडे द ओशन कवर्स 2/3 ऑफ अर्थ सरफेस and which consists of variety of rich, it supports variety of plants and animal life. The ocean water is however saline and it cannot be consumed by humans and it's not fit for human consumption. So fresh water accounts जो fresh water पाया जाता है, it's just 2.7%. Okay, so nearly 7% of oceans जो हैं as ice sheets, glaciers in Antarctica, Greenland and mountain regions में पाए जाते हैं. Due to their location, they are inaccessible. Only 1% जो है इट्स फ्रेश वाटर अवेलेबल फॉर ह्यूमन यूज़. एंड जो कि कहाँ पाया जाता है, ग्राउंड वाटर में, सरफेस ऑफ वाटर इन रिवर्स, लेक्स एंड वाटर वेपर इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. फ्रेश वाटर देयरफॉर जो है वो प्रेशियस सब्सटेंस है अर्थ पर. ओके, सो वाटर कैन नाइदर बी एडेड एंड नॉर बी सबट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द अर्थ. Only seems to vary because it is in constant motion. Okay, so humans use huge amount of water, not only सिर्फ ड्रिंकिंग के लिए नहीं बल्कि वॉशिंग एंड अदर पर्पज ऑल्सो, फॉर प्रोडक्शन पर्पज ऑल्सो एंड फॉर एग्रीकल्चर इंडस्ट्रीज, generating electricity also through किससे, reservoirs of dams and other usages also. So increase हो रहा है population में, which is also increasing the demand for food, crash crops, increasing urbanization, rising standards of living are the major factors which actually leading to the shortage in fresh water supply, and either due to drying up of water source or water pollution. ये दो चीज़ें हो रही हैं. So the problems of water availability, there is scarcity of water in many regions of the world. Okay, जैसे कि अफ्रीका, वेस्ट एशिया, साउथ एशिया, पार्ट्स ऑफ वेस्टर्न यूएसए, नॉर्थ वेस्ट मैक्सिको, part of South America and entire Australia are facing shortages in freshwater supply. Countries located in climatic zones most susceptible to droughts face great problems of water scarcity. Thus, water shortage may be a consequence of variations in seasonal or annual precipitation, or the scarcity is caused by overexploitation and contamination of water resource as well. So, how do we conserve this our water resource? Access to clean and adequate water source is a major problem facing the world today. Steps have to be taken to conserve this dwelling resource. बहुत सारे steps हमको इस resource को बचाने के लिए लेने पड़ेंगे. Even though water is a renewable resource, its overuse and pollution makes it unfit for use. So, discharge of untreated or partially treated sewage, agricultural chemicals, and industrial influents in water bodies are the major contaminants जो कि पानी को गंदा करते हैं. They pollute water with nitrates, metal, and pesticides. In fact, most of these chemicals are non-biodegradable and reach human bodies through water as well. Water pollution can be controlled by treating these influents suitably before releasing them in water bodies. Fresh and other vegetation cover slow the surface the runoff of replenish underground water. Water harvesting is also another method for safe water surface runoff. The canals used for irrigation facility, its irrigating fields should be properly lined, उनको properly line में रहना है to minimize loss of water seepage. एंड स्प्रिंकलर्स इफेक्टिवली इरीगेट द एरिया. जो स्प्रिंकलर्स होते हैं वो भी एरिया बहुत ही इफेक्टिव होते हैं पूरे एरिया को कवर करने के लिए. चेकिंग वाटर लॉस थ्रू सीपेज एंड एक्सपिरेशन and evaporation. In dry regions with high rates of evaporation, drips or trickle irrigation is very useful. Drip or trickle irrigation and the value water resource can therefore be conserved by adopting these means of irrigation.